Hi everybody, I'm Shalini Asthana, PGT English, working at Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, Chakeri, Kanpur. Today I'm going to share some of my experiences of the online teaching for the last 4-5 months. We all know that this COVID-19 pandemic has done untold damages to the whole world, and our children are bearing the brunt of this crisis, this destruction. But at the same time, the teachers have been doing a yeoman's work, and they have all the time they have been busy in imparting good quality education to the children with the help of different technology, uh, experimenting a lot of new ideas and doing all their best. So I just want to share my experience also, though it is not possible through the video to share all of my experiences, but here is a glimpse of how I dealt with my online classes.
Tell us something about the poem.
Ma'am, this poem actually.
Your face is not visible, Saloni. That's good, Saloni. I can see you. Yes.
Ma'am, this poem is about the poet's childhood. Ma'am, it is written before she born. It is the story before she born, and she is telling about her sisters, named Betty and Dolly.
Definitely. So that, and I'll be going to other students also. It's very important.
As Shakespeare has rightly said, sweet are the uses of adversity. Even the worst situation has got some silver lining, and so was there also. During my classes, I've interacted with the students, and I came to know that they were very happy because they shared that they are not dependent upon the school now. They have started realizing that independent learning is the need of the hour, and they said that they told me that they are planning for themselves. At the same time, they are missing the classes, physical classes, and especially our class 12 students. Definitely they are going to miss the complaints they make in the class, the chats with their own friends, to have lunch with them, to be scolded by the teachers, to interact in so many other ways, to narrate their own stories and so on. So, but again, there is a glimpse of my class where a student is telling me how he experienced during the online class.
Ma'am, it's quite good, but ma'am, not that much because ma'am, we can't study well as like in classrooms of schools. But ma'am, in case of emergency, we can study like this.
That's very good. I too agree with you, Amod. It cannot mean those classes cannot be replaced by online teaching, but to compensate the loss, we are doing it because we don't have any other option, and in this way we are opening a new paradigm of education. So anybody else?
But after this experience, this unique experience, I've come out with certain conclusions which I want to share with my colleagues, with my students, that during this time we all have to take care of our mental health, because that is what is the most important thing for all of us, especially for our students. So to take care of your health, physical as well as mental. Don't be panicked, and just have a faith on God that everything will be good very soon, because the things are not going to be like this all the time. Even the bad days will pass very soon. So I've always focused upon this mental health of the students and the emotional health of the students. They should be able to balance themselves emotionally as well as mentally, and while this balance is very much important, so that they will be able to concentrate upon their studies also. So I would like to just share with all my colleagues, all my teachers, all the friends, that please have a deep connection with your students. You must have a very good bonding with your students, so that they can trust you, they can share their problems with you. And I do believe that if we are all together, nothing is impossible. So thank you for watching me, and do share your ideas with me if you think. Thank you so much.